Today I'm going to show you how to make this fun summer seashell paint palette. It's super easy to make and fun to use. All you need is 6 medium-sized scallop shells and your AdTech glue gun. Now, no two seashells are exactly the same, so I'm just pulling out as many scallop shells as I can find and sort of laying them out like this in front of me to see how they fit best together. It might take a couple tries to really find the best fit, so I definitely recommend laying them out before gluing. Now, once you have everything laid out where you want, you can grab your glue gun and carefully start gluing each shell in place one at a time. The hot glue creates a really strong hold, but it's important to let the glue fully cure before moving on to the next shell. So I recommend holding it in place for about 10 seconds before moving on to the next shell. And just do this one piece at a time, working your way around till it makes a complete circle. Really take your time on this step and make sure that you're gluing them exactly where you want them. You should have a total of 5 seashells when you're finished creating the circle. Then you can go ahead and glue the final seashell right in the middle. Make sure you apply generously all around the bottom of each shell in the circle. And again, we're going to give this a good hold and really secure it in place before setting it down. And lastly, I would say this is an optional step, but I grabbed a large scallop shell and decided to glue this down to the bottom of the paint palette just for some extra support. I think it makes it just a little bit stronger and easier to hold. And now you're ready to add your paint. So watercolor is my paint of choice. This would also work just fine with acrylic or any kind of paint that you prefer. The thing I love about watercolor is you can actually let this paint fully dry and you can continue to use it over and over again. All you have to do is re-wet it with a little bit of water. This is such a cute little summer project just to make your summer painting a little bit more fun. I hope you give it a try and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.